Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Cloud in a simple and clear way. First, go to the Google Cloud console and log in with your Google account. Once you're inside, the first step is to create a project because everything in Google Cloud works inside a project. After creating your project, you can start using different services. For example, you can use cloud storage to store files, Compute Engine to run virtual machines, or Firebase to build apps. Next, open the main menu and explore the available services. Each one has its own purpose, so choose based on what you want to build, like hosting a website, storing data, or running backend code. You may also need to enable APIs before using certain services. Just search for the service, click on it, and press Enable. Another important step is setting up billing. Google Cloud usually gives free credits for new users, but you still need to add a billing account to access most features. As you use the platform, you can manage everything from the dashboard, including resources, permissions, and costs. And that's it. Now you know how to start using Google Cloud and explore its main features in a simple and practical way.